follower recently asked me, is it okay for me to visit my home country after I won asylum? I don't think so. Even though you could technically ask for a grant of advanced parole and then travel with permission from the US government to your home country after you won asylum from that home country, it's not recommended that you do that. Because if you do that, you run the risk of the United States government accusing you of committing immigration fraud, of lying to them. Because when you applied for asylum, you told them, I can't go back home. It's dangerous for me there. They're gonna kill me. So what are you saying when you go back to your country after you just convinced the government that it's dangerous and they gave you asylum? Some people say, well, what if I want to go back to my home country once I become a green card holder? Same thing. Even though technically you can legally go anywhere you want in the world with your green card as a legal permanent resident, it's not recommended that you go to your home country because you will run the risk of the United States government commencing actions to take away your green card because you committed quote-unquote immigration fraud by visiting your home country so recently after you previously had convinced the government that you were afraid of that country and that your life was at risk. So don't do it. What's recommended is just wait. Wait until you become a citizen of the United States, and then you can go anywhere in the world that you want to, including your own home country. And then the government really won't do anything to you. It's almost unheard of for the government to commence actions to denaturalize somebody for something like going back to your home country. So that's what I would tell people, and I think that's what most of my colleagues would tell people, is just wait till you become a citizen if you want to go visit your home country. What you could do, and what you should do, is, for example, what if you want asylum from Nicaragua? And, it's understandable. You want to see your family from back home. So what you do is you tell your family that are in Nicaragua that you want to go meet them in Costa Rica, where my family's from. Right next door. Go meet your relatives in Costa Rica. You go there, you see your family, and you haven't violated any trust with the U.S. government. You can't be accused of committing fraud or anything of the like. And so it's a fairly easy fix so that you can still see your family, but you haven't flown in the face of things that you've said to the U.S. government to get your grant. So don't do it. It's risky.